So obviously this is a different style video than what I usually film. It's basically just the video itself with a whole bunch of different cinematic shots and music. If you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, you guys let me know in the comment section below. Without further ado, here is today's video.
Hey guys, what is up? Today I am driving in a Mazda Miata, and honestly it's not that bad. We have a Miata behind us, but we are headed that way, and yeah, I couldn't be more than happy to do this with you guys. If you guys are new viewers out there, consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So we are currently pulling up to this beach, and wow guys, this is just phenomenal looking. Looks insane. Still driving the stake. But yeah, this is beautiful. Two Miatas, one parking spot. Let's go.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. I just got back from a 2-week vacation yesterday. This entire video was filmed in Washington State. Main reason I did add the music is because the audio was just full of a lot of wind noise. So I will be trying to take better precautionary steps in the future. I just picked up the GoPro Hero 8 Black. That's actually what this video is being shot on. But yeah, that'll hopefully be able to improve the quality of videos I put out. And I'm gonna get the little mod cage that they have for it. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day / night wherever you may find yourselves, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.